If you've ever opened ChatGPT and felt confused about which model to choose, you're not alone. Most teachers are using the wrong one. Here's the simple cheat code I wish I had. Think of ChatGPT models like teaching tools. GPT-4o is your smart whiteboard, fast, flexible, and can handle anything. GPT 4.1 mini is like your emergency lesson backup. Quick, simple, no fuss. The others, think specialist teachers you can call in when you need expert help. Let's break it down by what teachers actually need. I need to plan a lesson fast. Use GPT-4o. For example, plan a 45-minute lesson on choose a topic with intro, 3 tasks, and a discussion prompt. I just need a quick quiz or a definition. Use GPT 4.1 mini. It's free and fast. For example, create 5 multiple choice questions for middle school science on photosynthesis. I have to write a tricky email or feedback comment. Use GPT 4.5. Now this is plus only, so you could replace it with 4o. For example, rewrite this to sound professional but supportive. Now, if you're diving into grading spreadsheets, student data, or building little tools, you'll want these models, but only if you're on ChatGPT Plus, which I highly recommend. Here's your quick access guide. Free users use GPT-4o, GPT 4.1 mini, O3 mini via the reason toggle. Plus users, everything above, plus GPT 4.5, GPT 4.1, O3, and O4 mini. That's it. Don't overthink it. Start with GPT-4o for daily work. Use 4.1 mini when you need speed and only dip into the others when you need extra power. Want a 1-page cheat sheet to help you remember all this? Grab it below. And if you tell me your subject and grade in the comments, I'll reply with a ChatGPT prompt you can use tomorrow.